Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm trying on an Omega Speedmaster. This is a 39mm automatic wind watch, and this one was made specifically for the Japanese market, and it is a limited edition style. Now, I don't know much about Speedmasters, but I do know that they look great on everybody, whether you're a man or a woman. I think the Speedmaster is a great choice for ladies who want an oversized and very functional piece that's not super over-the-top expensive. There's a lot of bang for your buck packed into the Omega Speedmasters, especially when you get them on the secondhand market. This one is fabulous. I love the red accents, I love the guilloche on the dial, I love the kind of creamy numbers and hands. I just think overall it's such a cool watch. It's got that oversized feature and it just looks really neat on the wrist. It's something that I think would be the perfect casual piece for a lady, whether you have it on the bracelet like I do, or if you switch it out for a leather strap. I think this would look really cool with a red leather strap to pick up on all the red accents. Other than that, I just love this watch. I like all Omega Speedmasters. I think they look really cool, and I think that there's a lot of bang for your buck whenever you get an Omega Speedmaster in the secondhand market, because not only does everything look functional, it absolutely works perfectly and looks amazing. So if you have fallen in love with this watch, whether you're a man or a woman, you need to check it out now at SwissWatchExpo.com, and while you're there, look at all the rest of our Omega Speedmasters and our entire Omega collection.